Yes, all of you, good morning. This is what model paper 3, part B. If both roots are common to the quadratic equation x square minus 4 and x square plus px minus 4 equal to 0, then p equals to what? See here, in this, here, two equations given. Okay? So, from first equation, x square minus 4. So, 4 we can write as 2 square, and it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Plus goes to minus. X equal to minus 2, x equal to plus 2. So here we take x equal to plus 2. And also second equation, x square plus px minus 4. We have taken ABC from this equation. A is what? 1, b is what? P, and c is what? Minus 4. Okay, according to quadratic polynomial. So, sum of zeros. There is a formula for sum of zeros. Alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a. Alpha is what? 2. Beta is what? Minus 2. Zeros of this first equation. Now, minus b by a. It's what? Minus p by 1. Because of b is what? P. 2 minus 2, 0. P equals to 0. P equals. Next, second question. The distance of the point px, y from y-axis is what? Mod y. Mod x. Because distance of the point px, y from y-axis. Y-axis से x एक्सिस होगा उसका डिस्टेंस ऑफ पॉइंट फ्रॉम वाई एक्सिस से अगर आप देखेंगे तो यहाँ पे मॉड एक्स इसका आंसर होगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट थर्ड वन. लॉग बेस ए अंडर रूट एक्स टू द पावर ऑफ 4 इक्वल टू वाई. देयर इज अ फॉर्मूला ए पावर वाई, ठीक है, इक्वल्स टू दिस रूट एक्स पावर 4. हियर वी कैन सिंपली राइट एज एक्स पावर 4 एज एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू स्क्वायर. X square into square. So to do the formula, square root get cancelled. Ay equal to x square. This is the answer. So this is what option C. Ay equal to x square. Option C. Fourth is A subset of B, then A minus B. Means that A subset है B का. So हम कोई एक सेट ले लेंगे. A क्या है? 1 2 3 4 और B क्या है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. ठीक है, ए सबसेट बी. तो ए क्या है? बी का सबसेट है. नाउ ए माइनस बी. माइनस में क्या होता? डिफरेंस में सेम विल गेट कैंसल. रिमेनिंग ऑफ फर्स्ट सेट विल बी द आंसर. तो अभी ए वाले सेट में कुछ बचा नहीं. सो दिस इज व्हाट? एम्प्टी सेट. सो आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, एम्प्टी सेट. आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, एम्प्टी सेट. Fifth one, ABC, A comma B, B comma C, and C comma A are the vertices of a triangle, and the centroid of a triangle is origin. Then A cube plus B cube plus C cube is a simple formula. Already you have discussed in this in class 9th also. A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to what? 3ABC. So this is what? Option C, 3ABC. Next, sixth question. If the common difference of AP is 2, then A10 minus A5. Common difference मतलब D. AP में क्या दे दिया? 2 है. देन हमको फाइंड करना है A10 माइनस A5. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल A10 को हम लिख सकते हैं. यहाँ पे देखिए आप, A10 वी कैन राइट एज A प्लस 9D माइनस A5 वी कैन राइट एज A प्लस 4D. ओके, सो माइनस इंटू A माइनस इंटू प्लस माइनस A गेट कैंसल. 9D माइनस 4D 5D. ओके, 5D. सो D इज वॉट? 2. सो ऑन द प्लेस ऑफ D वी कैन सब्स्टिट्यूट 2. 5 2 is 10. 10 is the answer. So it's what? Option B. Sixth one. The last digit unit place of 6 power 2019 is in its standard form. Last unit place digit. Okay. So see here, it's very simple. Already this also in first chapter exercise 1.2. I think last question. So here we have to say the unit place of 2019, 6 to the power of 2019. So here we can write as 6 power 1 is what? 6. 6 square is what? 36. 6 cube 216. 6 power 4 1296. 6 power 5 7776. If you observe, all for the unit digit was 66666. So for 6 to the power of 2019 is also it plays 6 for unit digit. So the answer is 6, option A. Is that what? Option Next, here is what? 8th question. If alpha beta are the zeros of the polynomial x square plus 5x plus k, alpha minus beta equals to 3, then the value of k is what? See here. Here, simple. First of all, we have to take the quadratic equation. In question already we have given this value, alpha minus beta equal to 3. So from the quadratic polynomial, we are taking sum of zeros. Alpha plus beta is what? Minus b by a. Minus b by a is what? 1. Minus 5 by 1 is what? Minus 5. So we got alpha plus beta also, and from question we got alpha minus beta. Adding 1 and 2. Okay, you have to add 1 and 2 equation. If you add this, it means that you are solving 1 and 2. So it's simply what? If you solve plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus, same alpha get cancelled. Minus beta will become plus beta. Okay, beta plus beta, 2 beta, 5 minus 3, minus 8. So if you eliminate this, you will get beta equal to minus 4. Substitute beta in equation 1. If you substitute in equation 1, you will get alpha. Alpha will be get minus 1. Okay, now product of zeros. In question he says that find the value for alpha beta. Okay, find the value of alpha beta. Actually we have to find the value of k. With the help of product of zero, we can find the value of k also. Alpha beta equal to c by a. C, what is c? From quadratic polynomial, we have taken a is what? 1, b is what? 5, c is what? K. So c by a. C by a means k by 1. Alpha beta, we know alpha. Alpha is what? Minus 1. Beta is what? Minus 4. Now minus 1 minus 4 equal to k. Minus minus plus, k equal to 4. Option D. So 7th one is what? 8th one is what? Option D. Value of k is 4. 8th one. Now 9th question. Next one. 9th one in a GP, the 5th term is 32. 7th term is 128. Find a common ratio. See here. 5th term is 32. In GP, there is a formula for nth term. A. This is a formula. A n equals to a into r n minus 1. This is the formula for n term. So for 5th term a5, a into r 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is nothing but 4. This is what? A5 equation. And a7 is what? 128. So this we can write as AR6. Okay. Now we have to divide this two equation. AR6 by AR4. This is the 128 and this is 32. If you cancel, AA get cancelled, R4 get cancelled. From this, R square will left. Okay. If you cancel this, 216 the 32, 264 the 128. 16 1 the 16, 16 4 the 64. Okay. Square becomes root. R is what? 2. So option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. 10th question, see here, a equals to x square minus 16. Okay, and b equals to x such that x square minus 5x plus 6. X belongs to a real number. Then a union b is what? So see here. Here सिंगलटन तो नहीं है ये, इन्फिनाइट भी नहीं है, नल सेट भी नहीं है. इट्स व्हाट? फाइनाइट सेट. दोनों सेट्स की क्या है? एक लिमिट है. ठीक है. सो ये ऑप्शन डी होगा, फाइनाइट सेट. Number of secant can be drawn to circle through point inside it is. That is what? Infinite circles. Infinite we can draw. Okay. Infinite number of seconds can be drawn to a circle through a point inside it is. So that's option C. Remember. Next. This is the formula. x1, x2, x3, x4, so on, xn be the observation. So it's what? Simple. We have to say the mean of n observation, sigma I equal to 1 to n x I minus x bar. Okay. So here the option is A. Option 0 is the answer. How 0? See here. If we need to find the value for this, we know the formula for mean, sum of all observation by number of observation. So if we do like this, sigma means we have to expand this xi minus x bar. So x2 minus x bar, x3 minus x bar, so on up to xn minus x bar. So this we can write x1, x2, x3, x4. We can write this till xn, and here number of x will be left. Okay. So remember, sigma 1 equal to I equal to 1 to nxi is what? Nx bar. So this is what? Sigma sum of xi, sum of xi, and this is what? Nx bar. On this place we can write as nx bar. Nx bar minus nx bar will get cancelled. Answer will be 0. Okay. Option A. A 20-meter long ladder is placed on a pole of 10-meter height, making alpha angle with the ground. Then alpha equal to what? Sine alpha equals to what? See here. Here is given. So see here. Sine theta equals to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is what? 10. Okay. Hypotenuse is what? 20. 0 0 get cancelled. 1 by 2 will left. Sine alpha equal to 1 by 2 we can write as sine 30. Sine get cancelled. Alpha equal to 30 degree. Okay. That is option C. Option C. Yes, see here 14th one. Tangents PA and PB incline at an angle 60 degree as shown in the figure. The ratio of length OA, OP and AP is. Here we have to see the ratio. So first of all we have to solve this. Here PA and PB are two tangents, 60 degree angle, and OA and OB are two sides. So here see here we can take sine 30 is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Here opposite is AP and hypotenuse is OP because OP is the longest side. Okay. So now AP by OP. Sine 30 is what? 1 by 2. Again same cos 30. So here we are taking cos 30 also. Cos 30 is what? OA by OP. OA is adjacent and OP is hypotenuse. Clear? So it's what? Root 3 by 2. So finally OA, OP and AP are, OA is equal to root 3, OP is equal to 2 and AP is equal to 1. So this is the sides of the ratio. Root 3 is to 2 is to 1. That is option D. Clear? Option D is the correct answer. 1 is to 2 is to root 3 is the right answer. ABC is a right angle triangle and angle C equals to 90 degree. Let BC equal to A, CA equal to B, AB equal to C, and P be the length of the perpendicular from C on AB. Then dash. See here. So here is what? Right angle triangle ABC. And angle C is what? 90 degree. See, this is the right angle triangle. Okay. So AB is equal to C, BC is equal to A, and AC is equal to B. Okay. Angle C is what? 90 degree. By using Pythagoras theorem, we have used this. After substituting, we can find area of triangle. So here is what? From two sides we can find half into base into height. Half into what is base? BC, and what is height? AC. Okay. One more from area of triangle, that is what? Half into base into height. From this, what is base? AB, and this is what? Perpendicular. This is what? Median height, CD. So this is what? AB into CD. So we know that AB is what? C, CD is what? P. 1 by 2 CP. Now we have to equate both area of triangle. 1 by 2 AB, 1 by 2 CP. 1 by 2 1 by 2 get cancelled. AP equal to CP. AB equal to CP. Now see here. Now if we take P in denominator, we get value of C equal to AB by P. Now C square equal to A square plus B square, as we know that by using Pythagoras theorem we have done this. So C is what? AB by P. Squaring on both sides. So after getting square, this is what? Whole square. Now cross multiplication. Then after this, it's what? A square plus B square comes in division. Then see, after that A square by A square B square plus B square by A square B square, separating terms. Then A square get cancelled, B square get cancelled, equal to 1 by P square. So it's what 1 by b square, 1 by a square equals to 1 by p square. So finally it's what 1 by p square equals to 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. It's option C. Option C, yes, correct. Next, 16th one, let RHL, radius, height and length with the radius of slant height of a cone respectively. Then express L in terms of R and H. Already we know in mensuration there is a formula for slant height, L equals to under root R square plus H square, option B. Right? B is the correct answer. See here. 17th one, observe the following. The maximum number of tangent drawn from an external point to a circle is 2. No. The maximum number of secant drawn from an external point to a circle is 2. Yes, number of secant from external point you can draw only 2 points. That's what option B. B is the correct answer. Correct figure. See here. Here is what, choose the correct figure of sin A equals to 5 by 13. 5 by 13. See here. It is what? Option D. Option D is correct. How option D is correct? Because in he is asking sin A, so we have to take the angle A. So for this sin A, so angle B should be 90 degree. So here angle B is 90 degree, but this is what A is at here, so it's not valid. Okay, this also is not valid because angle B is not 90 degree. This also is not valid. Okay, so this is valid because this is what hypotenuse longest side and this is what angle A. So if we observe from this is what hypotenuse and this is what opposite, and this will be adjacent. So opposite by adjacent, opposite by adjacent, BC by AC is the actual answer. Sin theta equals to opposite by hypotenuse, opposite by hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse, this is opposite, and this is what adjacent, AB. So we have to find the value of correct figure of sin A. So we have to check from A. So finally is what? Figure D is correct answer. Option D. Next, a letter is chosen from the word Bahubali. The probability that is what not a vowel is. So not a vowel. So in this here B, H, B, L. These 4 are not vowels. So is what? Simple. 4 by total number of alphabets is what? 3, 5, 8. 4 by 8. 4 ones are 4 twos are. 1 by 2 is the correct answer. So this is what? Answer is what? 1 by 2. A, option A. 21. Simple. Which the following statement is true? So here all isosceles right angles are similar. Okay, remember this point because option D is correct. All isosceles right triangles are similar. This is true. So this is, we have completed model paper 3. In next video we'll get back with it what model paper 4 and 5. All the best for your exam.